Now, it's a beautiful, sorry I can't dance, but it's a beautiful sunny day in Chengdu, China today. So, let's throw in the sunnies. Now, you guys are going to love me for this game, trust me. All you need, sticky ball, some flashcards, and a whiteboard. So, let's check it out. Okay, let's get to it. So, how to play the game. First of all, draw a decent sized circle on the board. Okay? Now, the flashcards I'm going to use today are some animals. So we have turtle, pig, bird, chicken, and horse. Now, it doesn't matter what flashcards you have. So today I'm going to teach, is this a turtle, for example? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Now, if you're teaching colours, what colour is it? It's red. How many? How many cats are there? There are 3 cats. So any flashcards with a question and answer is all good. So, how to play? Imagine this is the whiteboard here, okay? So this is our circle on the whiteboard. So you place the flashcards on the floor, leading away from the board. Go here. Now you can have as many as you want, okay? So we have 2 kids. Normally I number the students. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Number 3. Stand up. Paper, scissors, stone. Okay, so the winner can throw the ball. So whoever's the winner can come here, stand behind the first flashcard. The other student has to stand here and ask the question, okay? So this kid asks the question, is this a turtle? The boy says, yes it is. Throws the ball, bang! Hello, 1 star. Now, if the kid missed, is bye-bye 1 star, okay? So unfortunately, if you miss, you have to sit down. Game over, okay? So if the kid gets the ball in the circle, he would then move back to this card here. So now he's here, okay? The girl, move here. Same thing. Is this a dog? Yes, it is. So the boy throws the ball, bang, in the circle. Now this equals 2 stars, okay? Hello, 2, so he already has 1, so hello, 2 stars. And you can repeat this all the way for each one, okay? Now, if they get to, you may have 10 cards. So the kid might say, oh, throw or stop, okay? Throw or sit down. Now, if you have any students who have managed to gain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example, going for 7 stars, so the total of all of these, the whole class gets very excited. Everyone, shh, the pressure is on. So the kid gets the ball, is this a blah blah blah? Yes it is, silence. Throws the ball from nowhere, bang, come on! Everyone's cheering, yeah! Okay, for slightly older kids, you can just use more flashcards, more distance. Here is hello 10, bye bye 10, hello 20, bye bye 20, hello 30, bye bye 30. Okay? So you can use this in any class, any age level, and any teaching content. So as usual guys, any requests for future videos, please put in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!